Izima Afrika sanibonani igama uluvo mfoka Mlobelo uyabona ke namhlanje nginiphathele insizwa la uButsepho labaningi bamazi ngoshaka futhi sawubona
Nganami sakubona
uyaphila kodwa
ngiyavuka mnganami yonke into ihamba kahle
yonke into ihamba kahle sikuma Phillies game esiqongweni eThembiso uyabona ke uButshaka kune team eyaphumelela lapha yana kuShaka bephumelela isamba sika 500,000 but ke namhlanje ula kuma Phillies game ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi Rinka's best 11 they were here baqeda ukuphumelela khona manje they are going to i-final kuyakubonisa ukuthi sharp abaphumelelanga ngephutha lapha ku Bushaka
kunjalo mngani wami amini thina singishaka Easter tournament sifuna onke ama team ase South Africa labafuna ukuparticipate beze ngesibindi bazi ukuthi there is one thing engayenza I don't tolerate nonsense uma kune team i-team iprepareile ayize dlala ibhola iwini uma ufuna kuwina that's why ngo2023 imambas yasuka la eJozi yafika le yawina i-tournament ngo2023
bathatha malini lapha
bathanda 250,000 rand ngo2023 and 2024 yaba ukuthi iRinkas yayithatha i-tournament bathatha 300,000 rand and 2025 iRinkas yaphinda yakhomba ukuthi ma champion qobo yathatha i500,000 rand.
So basically kuShaka iyakhuphuka imambas 2023 250,000 Rinkas yafika 2024 ithatha 300,000 bayabuya futhi bathatha 500,000 iyakhuphuka ke manje into esingazange sayizwa ke le bazothi nginamango uma betshelwa yimi kulonyaka mali
this year i-tournament isuka lapha ku 500,000 iya lapha ku 1 million kusho ukuthi uma se uyindoda qobo ugqoka ijoki hayi magistring but ugqoka ijoki uhamba ne 1 million nge7 zaka April 2026 uzoba uphethe 1 million esikhwameni
Ningizimu Afrika ngeke uyikholwa lento awukaze wayizwa lento emalokishini yazi izwile ukuthi izinto ihambe kahle kwelinye iqembu ngale kwaZulu Natal bethatha isamba semali engu4 kanti ngalena bekungu5 isuka ku5 iya ku1 million ngamapha amaqembu akwazi ukuthi participate ake simuze uButshaka
look njengoba ngikhuluma nawo onke ama team wabona la eJozi including isithembiso lena icedza kushajwa manje ishajwa iRinkas isithembiso izoba lapha ku1 million kunema team lanzima kakhulu this year kubhlungu kakhulu ngifuna kuhona ama team onke la khona ukuthi this year kuzoba bhlungu kakhulu yonke iLimpopo ilapha kuleya tournament yonke iLimpopo iphelele sine KZN sine Eastern Cape sine Western Cape sine Northwest neMpumalanga on top of that sinema 3 ama team laphuma ku SADC including one lephuma le ku North Africa sine team lephuma lapha ku Nigeria sine team lephuma lapha ku Botswana Swaziland
kanti mangaka amaqembu
i64 lama team lalapha wona mnganami la kusho si nami nge31 zaka January kune launch lapha eSun Arena top of the range launch draw whereby siyobona kahle ukuthi kahle bani uhlangana nobani and thina sidlala lento zeni zokuthi uyadlala sukunika ichance washatho yaphuma knockout
so udlala once
udlala kayi1 nje kusho sukunika ichance sukunika ichance uma sisimanje unelithola lithuba lakho ukuthi fika udlale kayi1 una 90 minutes for 1 million
ngiyafisa ukuthi sikhulume ngesuccess yama Phillies games ukuthi le tournament i-celebrate 34th edition solo kikhona ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuningi ongakusho it is an exemplary tournament esingakhuluma ukuthi hey yabona bayi example labo we have seen them for yonke leminyaka and uShaka uyafika uthi let's do this as well
uBrafili wenze umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu ku township lento ayenzile for 34 years sibhizi sibona lokuhle year in year out a deliver world class tournament namanje nje uyabona ama referee arefa kahle the only thing lengifuna kuyenza mina from my side is different from kuonke ama tournament akhona e South Africa I want to bring ama commercial partners ukuthi madoda asiyekeleni ku undermine ama township ama township angadlalile ama 50,000 and 100,000 lema player lamahle laphuma kuma township umfundo Vilakazi bayadlala la ku Phillies game sinema player laningi uShaka tournament na 5 years but already sina 40 ama team la dlala ku Premier League so it is very clear ukuthi I township football ifuna ama partner ukuthi imali uma siyibeka khona ama team ku organize I team kuza la just ku organize nje is around 30,000 rand So you can imagine uma udlala 6 ema game, so it's already uku 150,000. So I'm saying ngifuna ukuthi le mali ibonakale ukuthi ne team iyazi ukuthi uma ngithatha i-team from KZN ngiyibhadalala iza la, ngiyazi ukuthi uma ngawini 1 million I can pay all my debt.
Awuyibeka kamnandi ukhuluma ngomfindo Vilakazi wayela kuma Phillies game and uzokhumbula ukuthi you'll talk about abakhumbulana incube abomphotsha batsane lapha kuma Rumo Gallants yinsizwa lezi ezibuya labaningi abadlali esibabona bephuma kulama competition wasekasi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke na kuwe ngiyeza ukuthi unezinsizwa eziphuma ku PSL abokhetho kwakhe masuku bayafika bazocompete lapha ku.
Unfortunately that's why ngisho njalo ngisi South Africa yonke ngicela ukuthi this time around uma sisumthandi wefootball ngicela uye lapha eSoshanguve lapha uyobonwa yaqala nge7 zaka March yaqala i-tournament. Ngicela kusiniyeni uyobona ningamisi onke former Premier Soccer League players, even the current ones that are playing ku National First Division bazoba bakhona lapha. This year we have already registered 800 players labaphuma lapha ku First National Division na ku Premier League. Ngicela ningaphuselwa niza nizobona mhlolo.
Sesiyayiqeda ke manje noShaka kodwa ke nayo into engifisa ukuthi sesiyixoxe development yama players into ebalekile le ukhona bengihlebele ethi phela le Grootman intwana zakhe under 17 baphuma ne100 ngithi kimi under 17 into esingakaze sayizwa le ake sixoxe indaba development.
As we speak manje this year introduce under 15.
Okay.
Besine under 13 ne under 17, so what we did safaka under 15 ngoba next year sifuna kufaka under 10.
Okay.
Sifuna kumake sure ukuthi lento le ye development yokuqala ku grassroots lapha ibonakala. But on top of that next year siyofaka ne under 19 ngoba this year already sesinebafazi. Kunabo mama labadlala lapha for the past 4 years bo mama badlala. On top of that siyasathi singakhipha ama former players babekele eceleni kunema masters futhi ayadlala lapha abantu abadala bonke ama former players from Bolakile Khwati oJosta Dladla yonke le nsizwa ziba zilapha bokhune all of them zizoba zilapha nje ngoMarch uma seyiqala le tournament.
Bafethu ngeke size siqede kodwa ngakutshela kona ukuthi makufika uMarch April sishone eSoshanguve isambe sika 1 million kodwa ke nalaba abalaphansi ikhona imali abazoyithola ngoba hey kumnandi kodwa kuthiwa ke udlala kayi1 bese uyaphuma if uhlulekile futhi siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho kodwa ke na kanjani sizotheleka simake sure ukuthi siyayitshela iningizimu Afrika ukuthi kuhambe kanjani.
Ngani wami ngiyabonga ngisho ukuthi ku Brafili ne organizing team yalana Phillies Games siyabonga i-tournament lenhle no-organizile sisinakusasa kuma final. Ngizoba ngilapho ngizoba ngikhona kwenze ukuthi ngingabi khona ngizosupport iRinkasi ngicela ukuthi nizongithola lapho uma nifuna ukubona uShaka 012.
Thank you.
Thank you.